So I have my Carol wig here, and the freaking bun that Natalie did for me is still holding on strong, which is so funny since the one that I did for myself literally fell out before I even got to the con. But I'm gonna try and do some work on this baby to get it to be Carol's actual texture. Like this, like loose curl is how the whole wig is, and where, you know, Carol's hair is more of a tight kind of wavy look. So I'm gonna do some braids. I'm gonna steam this baby. I've seen people steam it, but how I know how to do it is just literally just dip it in hot water and let it dry. We'll see. Hopefully that works. Hopefully, and we will check back later. So there she is in all her glory. She is a little long, but I'm gonna wait until after it's completely styled to cut it down. I did one little test braid. We're gonna dip that in hot water and see how it comes out before I braid the whole thing. Yeah. So this is the result of the test little braid that I did. So like I said, I braided it, dipped it in hot water, and then let it dry, and that's how it came out. And that's the original, how it originally looks, this loose kind of curl. And I am hype. I'm so excited. It's gonna look so good. So now I'm gonna just braid everything and dip everything, and we'll see how it comes out. So this is the results of the braids. I didn't re-braid that little test piece that I did. I wanted to see how it would hold up. But yeah, it was a little harder than I thought it would be to actually braid the wig. The way the wig is constructed with this side part made it a little difficult to get any kind of neat braids. Plus it kept tangling, but managed to get these done. I did them different thicknesses, so some are bigger, some are smaller, and I did that to try and simulate how Carol's hair is. Like some of her curls are a little looser than others, so I think I'm hoping that the thicker braids come out looser than, say, like some of the smaller, like that one, the smaller, tighter braids. So we'll see. So I loosened up the very back, pinned up the rest to not get in the way. This is just the bottom few wefts. I'm going to mix up some paint and use the Abby method to paint the hair a darker color, either like an off black or darker gray, just to give the color some more depth. And you can see, like right here is very light in front, like Carol's hair, and then it gets darker, and her hair, the very back, is actually a much darker color. So that's what I'm gonna try and achieve here, and let that dry, and then loosen the whole thing. But I'm super happy with the results so far. So I don't know if you can tell, the size, the one that's not painted yet, it's much lighter. This part is darker. I think I'm gonna actually make it just a little bit darker. But yeah, that's how it's coming out. Okay, so this is the final result of the wig. I'm super happy with the texture. I'm happy with the color. This is very much like Mel's wig, with the very back being dark. Then you have the mid part, which is a little lighter silver, and then the very front being the white. And I'm really excited to wear this to a con because it's so good now.